Paul, and today I'm going to do my first video game review, and I'm going to start off with a terrible Game Boy Advance game. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2 for the GBA. Now, I think that most people think the original is good, but I've never played the original, and the GBA version sucks. So let's plug this into my DS Lite and start playing. Yeah. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2 is based on, well, a skateboarder. Now trust me, I've played loads of better skateboarding games than this. You play as loads of characters. I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now 13. There are 13 characters. And I don't like the game. So let's see why the game is so rubbish. You can instantly see that the graphics look awful for a GBA game. This was in its first days, but it's rubbish. But it looks rubbish. Even the Simpsons skateboarding is better than this. Trust me, that isn't too much of a masterpiece at skateboarding. Well, it's not as bad as this. The music is actually really annoying, and the graphics are terrible. Now the gameplay is where this game really sucks. You could do moves with the, you could jump with the A, probably boost with the B. You would do something weird with the B. Well, move about. One thing I hate about this game, how rubbish it is. Too horrible. This is only a mod, so if you enjoy it, I'd probably get dislike from you. Game is so stupid that I don't even think that I'm not even going to be close to 100% finished. Now the game's stupid, I hate it, and the only good thing is that the game is impossibly hard too. The only good thing is, well, there's hardly anything. The only good thing is that the controls are easy to respond. That the controls are easy. They're not impossible or anything. But in my opinion, they're pretty faulty. The game's pretty faulty and I hate it. I skipped the intro so I can do this review. I'm looking at the camera, so it's kind of hard to do a review without someone recording any of the stuff I'm doing. Now, if I had to give it an overall, the gameplay gets a 1 out of 10, the difficulty gets a 0 out of 10, the graphics get a 2 out of 10, the music gets a 3 out of 10, and the controls get a 7 out of 10. 10. 10. And overall, and fun factor, that's only going to be 1 out of 10. This game is rated, drum roll please, 0.7 out of 10. A horrible game with responsive controls, horrible graphics, annoying music and terrible gameplay. In my opinion, the game isn't worth the money. I have no idea how much it costs on eBay. Probably something like £9, which is something like $13. Something like that. You know. Or is it going to be less? No, the game's rubbish. Skip it. Never see it. Never play it. So goodbye for this video.